Rule 13. Buy quality, buy less. Cheap costs more than you think. Imagine two people buying shoes. One chooses the cheapest pair, thin soles, weak stitching. They break in a few months, so he buys another and another. Over time, he pays more and keeps walking in discomfort. The other buys one solid pair. Good materials, proper fit. Years go by, no replacements, no stress. Money works the same way. Low-quality purchases create a quiet cycle. Buy, replace, regret, repeat. Not because you overuse things, but because they were never designed to last. Filling your wardrobe with 15 weak items only takes up space. After a few washes, they lose shape and value, while 2 or 3 quality pieces keep working for years. This rule changes how you choose. Before you buy, pause and ask, will this survive real life? Not just the first week. Is this well made or just well marketed? Am I buying more to feel secure or better to feel calm? Buying quality isn't luxury. It's respect for your money, your time, and your energy. Less things, better things, more freedom.